Hello and welcome to 244 Herman Street. We're going to be touring a top floor, one bedroom apartment, unit number 3. There's a skylight right in front of the doorway. You walk into this nice bright light-filled space. There's your full bathroom, tub and shower combination, medicine cabinet. There's your fan. A little bit of storage in here. Here's the hallway. You have a nice coat closet here to the left with built-in shelving. Nice, big, beautiful living room. Your walking distance to the Castro, Dubose Park, Lower Haight. Huge walk-in closet. This unit does come with shared laundry and parking is available for an additional cost. Okay, so this is the view out the window. It's a very quiet building and a very quiet unit. Okay, over here is the bedroom. Nice sunny bedroom. You have heater vents in each of the rooms. Behind the door is your closet here. It's a deep closet. And now to the kitchen. This is an eat-in kitchen. You have a gas range, dishwasher, and refrigerator. Plenty of space for a small breakfast table. And there you go. If you're interested in this wonderful space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.